How to make Pinterest account public. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how to make Pinterest account public. So then to make it public, you'll need to open up or log in into your Pinterest account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how it's gonna look like. Once you're on this page, go to your profile icon located right at the bottom, and this is gonna take you to the profile page. Over here, click on the gear icon located right on top, and this is gonna take you to the settings page. So from the list, you need to click on profile visibility. As soon as you've done that, currently my profile is private, so you can see that the private profile is currently enabled, and you can also see that search privacy, which means that hide your profile and boards from search engines. You'll not be able to find our profile, so in order to make it public, you'll need to disable all of these or just toggle the switch. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully made your Pinterest account public. In this way, you can make Pinterest account public. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.